Hello! Welcome! Jacqueline here again. Ayan, pagkatapos kong kumain ng lugaw, mami, lomi, ayan, pasosyal-sosyal tayo ng konti ngayon. Kain naman tayo ulit sa Ferry Style Southwestern Flaming Grill, isang Mexican restaurant. At third time ko na to dito. Makakasama po natin ngayon ang aking mga ex-colleagues sa aking ex-account sa collections or sa financial account po namin, si Mami Jed at si Pinky. Ayan. I've worked in a financial account or collections for 8 years. And of course, we've built a big family. Marami po kayo magkakaibigan. So, we miss each other. Kaya ho, nagkita-kita po kami at medyo mabigat na yung mga nararamdaman. And we need to make a lot of chika-chika at marites. At ayan po, naglalakad na po kami from Trinoma. We decided to go to Ayala Mall. So, tatawid po kami niyan papuntang Ayala Mall. Lakad-lakad lang ng konti at tingin-tingin din po kung saan kami kakain. Ayan, at kwentuhan lang. Medyo kailangan, no, after work, balance lang, family, work, friends, kailangan lahat balance. So, lakad-lakad, tingin-tingin, shopping, konti, kain. So, samahan niyo po ako. Go na, kuya.
Vlogger kasi ito eh.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sarap niyan ni.
Happy birthday! Ako yung ina-accept.
Thank you, kuya. Say hi. Yeah, this is my guest for today's food hopping. Hopping ulit. Kasi we are not contented in one restaurant, but we will eat a lot today, tonight. This is Mami Jen, and this is Pinky. Feel the feel, ah.
Dati po siya taga-dats.
Taga-dats.
That's incredible.
Ayan, pagkatapos kumain ay naglakad-lakad po kami ulit at namasyal, tingin-tingin, habang naglalakad, tumitingin-tingin, nagkukwentuhan. It was really a short bonding with them because nagmet ata kami late na rin, pahapon na, no? So, kain, at least nakakain kami at ayan, magkakape na. So, mayroon pa rin time para magkape. At medyo bawal, no? Pero kung minsan-minsan lang naman, sige na, makatikim lang. Sometimes we need those things para makapag-unwind. At alam nyo po, pag nagtatrabaho ho kayo, nabubulol-bulol na ako. Ayan, pag nag-work kayo, lalo na po kung paulit-ulit at matagal na ho, minsan talaga nakakapagod din. At minsan talaga, you need to divert yourself. You need to make libang-libang of yourself with your friends. Lalo na po at work at home ako, kami ni Mami Jed, work at home, ang hirap. Kaya kailangan ay luwabas-labas din paminsan-minsan with friends, family, and syempre, balance nga po. Thank you for watching my video. Please follow, comment, and react. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumusuporta. God bless!